Hey you guys, what's up? And I am so excited about today's video. This is going to be part 2 of my fall clean and decorate, and we are going to be decorating my master bedroom fall style. So I want to make sure I can give our room all the fall vibes so we can have a cozy season. If you are into those types of videos and you're new to my channel and you like cleaning and decorating and organizing, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my family here on YouTube. Also introduce yourself and say hi so I know that you are new. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, one of the first things I like to do before I decorate is make sure everything in the space is clean. So I want to start off with washing the blankets. I am using a very high temperature of water because they are white. So we are going to do that and then also add the Tide Pods. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning off my side tables, just making sure the nightstands are clear of anything we don't want on them.
The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
So what I'm doing here is just going ahead and clearing off our ladder because I knew I wanted to add some decor pieces, some fall decor pieces to the ladder, and I didn't want it to come off too cluttery, so I was removing some other decor on there. Also, I'm just dusting and rearranging the books just so they're kind of in a better order and they look a lot neater.
Nobody's losing. The spirals will be here by dawn.
Me and hubby do have the Cricut machine. I know I showed that to you guys a few weeks ago. So we've been really practicing and learning how to make labels and practicing on t-shirts and coffee mugs. So those are some of the labels we made on the little essential oil bottles. I am using the Jaws concentrate to clean my mirrors. It's one of my favorite glass cleaners that I own. I actually love all of the Jaws products, and I do have a discount code in my description box for them. So what I'm using here is a linen spray I got from Grove Collaborative. It is also essential oil base. So I'm just spraying that on my pillow and my bed just to freshen everything up. Wouldn't be a cleaning video without Ava coming and helping. She wanted to make the bed with me, which she loves to do. So now that the blankets are all done washing and everything's picked up and clean, we are gonna go ahead and start decorating. I'm so excited.
Saw you down the motorway. There was something about you that day. I can still hear the shimmering sound. The hill is near, let's get right up. Walk up to the very top. We couldn't tell the sky from the ground. I know my life will never be the same after that day.
So what I'm doing here is going ahead and decorating the bed. As you can see, I put that orange throw blanket on the bed. I absolutely love the color. It's like a rustic orange. And then I am adding this tray I got from the Hearth and Home collection at Target. and the floral arrangements. And this vase here is also from the Hearth and Home collection. I absolutely love the colors, and I think it's perfect for the fall vibe I'm going for in my bedroom. Then I went ahead and added this cinnamon pumpkin muffin candle. It is a soy candle that I also got from Target. I will have all the links in my description box, or my link to my Like.to.know.it. And in my Like.to.know.it, you'll be able to just shop the photos and shop everything that you see in this video.
If you want to, I'm up for a kiss. I know it's tough. Don't let anybody tell you you're not enough. There are days when we all feel like we're messed up.
So a tip I have for decorating, you guys, is not to keep going out and buying throw pillows every season. Go ahead and look on Amazon, and they have tons of pillow covers for your throw pillows. So I went ahead and picked up this rustic burnt orange again and just threw on some old red Christmas pillows, threw them right in there, and we're good to go for fall. And I can even use those same pillows for Christmas.
I'm in my life. We'll never be the same after that day. You wrap me around your fingers and you stay. I don't ever wanna be alone again. Despite all, you're my best friend.
I wanted to highlight this because I think this is the cutest little pumpkin. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I'll try and find a link. Sometimes it's hard for Hobby Lobby, but I at first put it here and then I ended up switching it out, but I actually think I like it there, so I might change it back.
Just sitting there on my chair, I'm staring at you. You don't even notice. Should've told you.
If you decorated for fall, I would absolutely love to see how you decorated. If you share on social media, please tag me so I can see your pictures and see how you guys styled your home this year.
You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance in the moment.
This is definitely one of my favorite times of year because we get to begin the decorating season and also the season of just getting together with our families and celebrating the holidays and getting close to the new year. About this time each year, I'm ready for a new year to start and I'm just ready for like a new fresh start. So fall always gets me excited and this time of year always gets me excited. So let me know what your favorite season is down below and why.
That's what I adore.
A significant light, just where it was needed. Gleaming black as night.
We are so excited with the turnout of our bedroom. I also share some evening night shots of how the bedroom looks at night. It is absolutely cozy. It smells amazing. All the fall vibes. So I'm really happy just adding a few pops of color and texture and pretty things really spruced up the room and made it feel like fall season. So I hope you guys got some inspiration from this video, any kind of ideas. Again, I will have all of the decor I got down in the description box, so it's easy for you to find if you are looking to add some pieces to your room or your house. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We'll always remember how